how to use Cash App Afterpay. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Well, let me head over to one of the official article, which is going to help you with the step-by-step process on how you can use Cash App Afterpay. So this is one of the article which is going to help you out. So when you are making a purchase, simply you have to choose Cash App Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. If it's your first time using Cash App Afterpay, you will provide payment details as usual to complete your purchase. Once your first order is approved, your Cash App Afterpay account is created. All you need to do is visit afterpay.com or download the Cash App Afterpay app to set up a password, and you will be able to make more purchases by simply entering your login credentials. This payment option cannot be used on gift cards, subscription, or items less than $35. Also, you have to make sure that you meet those criteria in order to be eligible to use Cash App Afterpay. Read these terms carefully and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.